Hi guys, welcome to Miami Van Decor channel. Today I would like to make a small experiment. I would like to make two different balloon garlands. One garland will be made out of Amazon balloon kit, and second one out of my favorite brand of balloons what I use for work. I would like to compare how these two garlands will act under the sun in Miami heat and see if one of the balloon garlands will pop faster than the other. So I'm choosing this balloon kit, rainbow one, so it has all different colors mix. 111 balloons, 18, 12 and 5 inch for $10. So it should arrive tomorrow and we will inflate it right away. So I receive my balloons. I don't think it's exactly color, I think it was darker blue, but don't remember, I'm gonna check. Anyway, I'm not gonna use them all, I don't need a huge garland, so probably I will use, I don't know, maybe half, we'll see. And I have different brands. I have Gemar, I have Sempertex, I have Qualatex. So I'm gonna mix all brands, different colors. So the same colors, just different good brands what I usually use for work. So I'm gonna do garlands with the same colors, blue, even I'm taking darker one. And darker balloons pop more on the outside. So I'll do garlands the same amount. I'm gonna count how many balloons I take from this kit. And the same size, same amount, I'll take out of this all balloons. We do two the same garlands and we put it outside. I have here glue dots. Seriously, glue dots. What's the want me to do with the glue dots? Anyway, I guess that's 18. So I'll take one of each color. 3. It will be enough. So I'm taking 40 11-inch balloons, and actually I have only a few more left. I don't know how you can do big balloon garlands out of this amount of balloons. It's like honestly 40 and have six more, 7, 8. That's really not enough for the big size balloon garland, but today we're not doing balloon garlands, we're doing an experiment. So and I'll take 25-inch balloons. And I'll prepare the same amounts of balloons for this. Okay, so I have the same amount of balloons. I'll start preparing balloon garlands. Yeah, let's start from this. I'm just gonna mix all colors to make it fast. I'll make a garland right away. Done. Just make some small balloons and add some small balloons. Clusters, and then just add it on one side. Just randomly. the same with my Amazon balloon kit. And I can tell it's not the worst balloon kit I worked with. It's not so dirty. It's not so transparent balloon. I had worse, and it really has 12-inch balloons. Usually balloon kit what I worked with had a 10-inch balloon, so it's really small. This one at least has 12. And colors are solid. I can tell you, I picked randomly and I took a good one. It really has 19-inch, 12. It's really like good one, I can say. Maybe these balloons look more for you just because I use Qualatex 16-inch. This one is 19-inch, so it has to be inflated a little bigger because it's in general bigger size. One and second. So I have two of the same chairs in the same position in the sun. So I'll tie my two garlands and we'll see how it's gonna stay on the sun. And today is not fully sunny weather, it's cloudy. So not so bad, could be worse. So let's attach, and I first attach good brand balloons garland first, so it stay longer in the sun a little bit. I also want to spray part of the garland with high shine to see if it's changed anything. So right now, I don't know if you can see, it's 11:45. I don't know. 11:45. So almost the hottest time. So let's see in an hour. Okay, let's say we see it at 1. We come back here at 1 p.m. and we'll see what's going on. Let's just move this. So on the left side is a good quality brand balloons, and on the right Amazon kit. And here we have some dark blue, so it's darker color, should pop faster. So guys, after 1 hour I don't see anything really bad. One blue balloons popped here, balloons with high shine shiny. They're still good. Actually here was blue balloon. Here as well, red balloon pop. The rest is good, but honestly this hour was cloudy. Today is a cloudy day. Let's see. Something's going on here, really deflated. But not bad, not bad. Both garlands is looking fine. Let's see in an hour and see again. This clouds. It was so sunny morning, but right now. So we'll see in an hour. Okay, this is our brand balloons. Some pop, but mostly it's dark blue. This high shine still here. And this one is much more pop. You can see it's much smaller size right now. See around is a lot. So here really look very poor. So I can tell after 2 hours we can see the difference somehow. Only big balloons left. Here you see much more left. And I think we're gonna keep it for 1 more hour, and we'll see in 1 more hour. And here not even a dark blue, so all colors here are light. This one look very decent. So guys, it's 2:45, actually 3 hours how you place it outside. And I need to go, so I'm going outside and check. Definitely, you can see the difference after 3 hours. You know what I'm surprised for? That all big balloons still good. But this one was big one, this one, that one, blue one, and all regular size popped. But it's definitely much smaller. That's what's left. And again, today is not a very hot day. It's cloudy, so it's not always sunny, and it's windy, so it's not so hot. Here much less, only blue balloons, what was on the top. Blue one inside, still here. Balloons with high shine, also here. So for sure, I don't see the difference between high shine and no high shine, but I see the difference between good quality balloons and Amazon China balloons. And this balloon kit, like I told you, it was a good quality. Actually, it was a good size of balloons, and balloons was not so dirty and not so tiny. So this kit is actually a good one compared to what I had before. What do you think, guys, about my little experiment? I hope it helped you a little bit. I would not go cheap with balloons. Better to buy good quality brand. For sure, it saves your event. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Guys, just to show you what happened after 5 hours. So this one is still good, even still shiny, very sprayed, and this is it. This is the end. Can you believe that? Honestly, I didn't think it's gonna be like this. Five hours. I mean, if you party for 1-2 hours, possible, but still would not take a risk.